Don't download Lumen5 Enterprise Marketing Video Suite app before watching this. If you think Lumen is just a basic drag and drop video maker, you're missing its real power. The surprising truth is that the enterprise features aren't about flashy effects, they're about rapid, scalable video production. Lumen transforms scripts, blog posts, or written content into videos using AI. Most people get this wrong. They assume the tool only creates simple slideshows. But enterprise users unlock advanced branding controls, custom templates, multi-format exports, and asset libraries that allow teams to produce dozens of videos quickly. One of the most impressive features is the automated scene suggestion engine. It reads your text and selects visuals, motion effects, and pacing that match the tone. You won't believe how accurate it can be. A marketing team once converted a 20-word article into a fully styled video in under 10 minutes. However, the key to Lumen's power is consistency. If you run ads, social campaigns, or product announcements, you can create branded templates that your whole team can reuse. This prevents off-brand videos and speeds up production. Another overlooked feature is the voiceover workflow. You can upload your own voice, use iNarration, or sync external audio. For enterprise teams using DS, this makes editing incredibly efficient. The asset management system is also a major win. Instead of searching through folders, your team has a centralized hub for logos, music, intros, outros, and footage. If you publish content across multiple regions, this keeps everything clean and controlled. Before you download Lumen, ask yourself, does your team need fast, repeatable video creation? Or do you need advanced cinematic editing? If you want speed, scaling, and brand consistency, Lumen is an excellent choice. If this helped you understand the real value behind Lumen, subscribe for more deep dive breakdowns.